If your Wi-Fi signal is not good in office or home, you can use this extender. Here you can see TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. The model is AC750 dual band for 5G and 2.4G. Let me unbox this Wi-Fi range extender. You can see here the quick installation guide. And this is the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. Here you can see the LAN port. You can connect with cable or wireless Wi-Fi signal. Both options are there. Just plug into the power socket. You can see the light is green, it's powering on. Now all signal are green for 5G, 2.4G. Let me go to the mobile screen. Just search TP-Link Tether app. Here you can see, just download TP-Link Tether app. Just click on get. I am using iPhone. The same you can download an Android from Play Store. That is downloading now. Just click on open. Confirm the terms and continue. Allow the location. For the first time I need to create the TP-Link ID. I don't have ID. Just I need to create for the first time. Just put your email address. I have one gmail.com. Just click on continue. Set the password and confirm the password again. Just click on sign up. Accept and continue. Now you will receive email. You need to click on the link to activate your ID. Just you can see here email is received. Click to finish registration. Just open in any browser. You can see here activation succeeded. Just come back to the application again. Click on activate and login. Put the email ID and password. Just choose maybe later. I don't need face authentication. Just click on add device. For the first time we need to add the device. In my case I have range extender. Just click here and you need to wait if the LEDs are solid on. Click maybe later. I don't need now. Two-step verification. I have already plugged in from the start. If you are using now, you can plug in to the power. Click on join network. Now it's searching for the extender. Set the password to log into this device. You can use the same password for TP-Link ID or you can set the different password. It depends on you. Just set the password and click on next. Now it's scanning for the wireless network. Now I need to connect this device with my main router, with main Wi-Fi. In my case I have one for 4G, one for 5G, like 2.4 and 5G. I need to click this network, Salam 4G. I am using this one for my main router. Just click on Salam 4G and give the password for the Wi-Fi for the main router. In my case I have this password for 2.4G, and for the 5G, Salam 5G, I need to set the password again for the main Wi-Fi router. Now this extender will be connected with the main router and it will extend your networks. Now just click on next. Now you can change the name of your Wi-Fi extender, but I will keep as default. Now click, it will apply your setting to the extender. Setting is applying on range extender. That's very easy steps to set up this device. Now you can confirm the location, like if you want to connect to some other location, this device you can put there, like it will get the good signal from the main router, then it will be distributed to your home or office. Just choose the location and verify the LEDs are green. Now you can connect this extender with the main router. Just click on connect and join. It's connecting with the main router. One is 2.4G, one is 5G. Maybe in your case you are using only 2.4G, you can just connect that one. In my case I have both. Now you can see here the client is connected and the status is online. That's perfect. This was for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment.